You're watching the Tish 21. What's going on, guys? Your boy Natish here, back with another video, and today we're gonna go check out my boy Martin's M3. I don't know if you guys already saw the video where he picked it up. It should be the one just before this video, but today we're gonna do a better look at it. Today the car's running properly.
What?
So we're gonna go and check it out, maybe take it for a drive and hear how it sounds. That car had a throttle body actuator issue, so it was actually in limp mode. My buddies are over at the hangar right now. They just cleared the code and it's actually running properly right now. So we're gonna check it out. Just waiting for my other buddy here with the Mustang. Should be here any minute, and then we're gonna head up. I just wanna show you guys the M3. It's looking good right now. We put some spacers in the front, some 15 mils in the front, just to kind of space out these wheels. But I got another set of wheels coming in. Actually, they're already here. They're the OEM competition wheels. So we're gonna run those for a little bit. So these ones are up for sale. If you guys know anybody who wants a set of these, they're Ferrata FR4s. Hit me up, but hopefully they're not already sold by the time I put the video up. But they're really concave in the back and relatively flat in the front over here, but they look really good on the 3 Series or any other like M3. My goal with this one right now is just gonna be to clean it up as much as possible. After you guys see Martin's M3, you're gonna see why I want to clean this thing up, because his is so crazy clean that I can't even look at mine anymore.
Elvis Production.
So I need to fix this up proper. I definitely need to do something about the paint, or it needs a wrap or something, because I can't stand this thing. Looks like shit right now. If you guys look at it up close, it's got a lot of stone chips. It's just insane, right? So we're gonna fix that up, and it's loud, but it's not loud enough for me. So we have a couple things on the agenda for this car. I'm gonna make it proper. I promise you guys that much. Guys, we got here. It's kind of late now, but we're working on the car. He's already got the actual. I wish I could show you the better car a lot better, but it's obviously dark right now. I want to show you guys. All right, guys, so they already got the actual engine apart. Look at this. The whole top is gone. The throttle actuators are already out, and they're working on it right now. The funny thing is they already found an issue with the gear on the throttle actuator. And the funny thing is we didn't have a replacement, obviously, at this point. But we took, I happen to have one of my old throttle actuators from my BMW in there. And what's it look like? How's it?
It's better than his, but you can see around the same area. There's somewhere, there's a narrower tooth.
Well, the thing is, that's obviously the one that failed because he changed it.
Yeah. So
but it failed because of the similar issue, right?
It seems like they all fail around that area.
Yeah, with the gear.
Yeah, that's probably where you spend all your time, right?
Yeah?
Part throttle is probably always sitting there. So,
okay.
Well, I mean, fuck, we can take the ones off my V10.
Speaking of which,
Or do you just want to buy new?
my boy Kevin over here has a E60 M5 V10, and I'm like, yo, why don't you give me that and let me put that in the E92 M3? Can you guys imagine what the hell that would be like? I'm gonna make him do it one day. Watch.
This motor is at.
So basically, in a last-ditch effort, what are we doing, Kevin?
So I've got this V10 sitting around from an E60 M5. It has the same throttle body actuators. Don't know if it's good because I haven't ran the engine, but we're gonna try to take them out and inspect the gears. If they're good, we can get Martin back on the road tonight.
Oh my god. Okay, great. So we're stealing actuators out of my future motor that's going in the E92, right, Kevin?
Yeah, watch it.
Guys, put in the comments below. Kevin, give Natish your V10, please. Do it for the cause. Do it for Natish 21.
I might. I'll think about it.
Yeah, there you go, guys. See that? Oh man, dude, I'm telling you, 6 empty swap V10 and M3. I think we would blow up the internet. That's like a 200,000 subscriber
Milestone thing.
right? And that's gonna take me to 200,000.
Let's hope.
I got Stuart right now.
One of my actuators had the same problem. Let's check the second one.
Yeah, apparently it's blown.
Huh?
It's not blown.
V10. Look at 10 ITBs. BMW was smoking some good kush on this when they built this one.
Imagine, bro, this is insane.
Oh my god. 10 throttle bodies, bro.
Definitely needs a cleanup though. Shit's
Did you already,
crusty.
so you're still getting the actuator out, right?
Yeah,
Wait, so you found this in the fucking...
Alright guys, we're about to open up the actuator off of the M5 V10 engine, and hopefully the gears are okay so we can swap it in. That's a twin turbo V8 pickup truck. Twin turbo LS. Alright, so we got the actuators here. We're doing some testing. One's from the V10, one's from his old car.
Yeah.
And got the electrical hooked up here. You can see the gearing inside. So these gears usually get chewed up, and that's when it fails.
Exactly. So what we're doing now, rather than replacing all these gears, we're looking to see which of these motors is feasible to use by checking the resistance to the motor. They all have different resistances, all have different sounds, so it might not tell us anything, but gives us some information. All right, go ahead and touch one there. This is a proper test setup, eh?
Which motor? That one?
Yeah, the farthest one.
Look how clear that video is. Holy shit.
Is that the iPhone video?
Yeah.
Jeez. Let's try again. I feel like I need 7 hands to do this. So if you look at the multimeter, this is from my E60, so it's about 6 milliamps of resistance. Now, when we compared that to this motor, which came out of his good bank, no error codes, it had the same resistance. So we're actually thinking that my E60 motor is healthy. Your failed motor and his failed motor both had 4 milliamps.
Trash! Oh, it pops too. Oh my god. That should... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you went at the limo, didn't you? No. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.